Hey everybody, Mr. Judson here. So this will be the quickest video we've ever had. Today we just really try to pull everything together and make sure that we've got this idea of graphing the basic functions down and, and then push forward from there. So just a reminder of our exam times, whichever class period you're in, or if for some reason one of these times doesn't work, you would want to do the 6 o'clock in the evening. You got to have a parent who's available to kind of proctor and monitor you as you take your test. But just as a reminder, you want to have that conversation with your folks so this is all ready to go. All right. So not next week, but the following Monday and Tuesday. Next week, I'll want you guys to send me an email letting me know exactly what time you're taking the test. Okay. So really nothing for me to do as far as teaching goes. One thing that we have for today is I will give you guys one sheet of paper. It's got problems front and back, 6 graphs, so 12 questions total, where we've got all the different basic functions that we've looked at, graphing parabolas and absolute values and square roots and completing the square and our rational function. We got everything all tied into one. So you can get this worksheet off my classroom webpage. Okay, go to the Wilson website, go to teachers, staff, and then classroom websites, and you'll find it there. And then the other part of our assignment will be this, where they give us a picture and we have to come up with the equation. All right, so identify the parent function and the transformations shown in the graph, and write an equation of the function in the graph. Then use a graphing utility to verify your result. So once you think you have the answer on these questions, you want to punch it into your graphing calculator and make sure the graph you see there matches this picture right here. Okay? And so I don't know why these look different, but these problems and these problems really are the same thing. Okay? We're taking a look at a function and trying to write the equation for it. So really that's it. I just need to get you guys an assignment and you can go ahead and get started. All right, so there it is, still number 7. This is week 7, day 3, so Thursday for 3rd period and Friday for 4th and 6th. We're going to do the worksheet 1 through 12. Remember, you get that on my classroom website. And then also in the book, we're going to do page 82, 55 to 64. When you show your work for these questions, try and draw just a quick sketch of what the graph looks like so that you can label certain points and then go ahead and write the equation right below, as opposed to just writing down an answer. I want it to look like you guys are showing some work, and if you ever go back and look at this, you see an equation, you don't know where it came from. But if you see a picture with some things written on it, then you know what produced that equation. Okay? If you want to, you can lay your paper right over your book and just trace it real quick. If you print this thing out, you can always print pages out of this book if you wanted to. You could even print this page and write all over this stuff and then just put your equation right down below it. All right? If you've never used the snipping tool, this is kind of cool. You can take the snipping tool. So when you click on the snipping tool, this thing pops up. You just say something new. And then what you do is you draw a box around the part that you want. Okay? So now I can go up here and go Edit, Copy, and I could go and paste this into a Word document and then print it out. Okay? To get the other part, you just go, first of all I got to get my book to the right part here. And then I go back to my snipping tool, I just go New, and now I've got a new piece that I could just highlight, and I go up here and do an edit, copy, and so now if I go into a Word document, let's just say I wanted to paste it right here, I'll just put my cursor down here, put it right there, and then I'll just go paste, and there it is. That's a little bit blurry, but you can click on this and then adjust the size so that it gets a little bit clearer. Okay? And there it is. So now I could write right on this and go ahead and write the equation for each graph. Okay. So you don't have to, but you can use it if you want. If the snipping tool isn't on your computer, what you do is you go down here to the hourglass, click on that, and just type in the word snip. It'll show up and you can open it up. I think as you type that, you can even say pin to taskbar, and then you've got that available. All right, so there it is. You guys have a good weekend. I'll see you on Monday. We'll get ready for that test. All right, take care, stay safe. Bye.